Hi guys, Men's Shed here. We're working at one of the members' sheds. We're closed down at the moment, and we've been commissioned to put three of these Flow Hives together. Here's the first one, made out of western red cedar. It's creating a lot of buzz around here, and we've had a great working bee on this. So that's the first one, and if you come over here, this is where we're actually working. These are the these aren't the queen bees here, these are the buzzing bees. So we've got it all set out. We're building the roof there. We're building the Flow Hive here. And then, and then we've got to be bee happy. See, that's very happy. And bee friendly over there. Get out of the way, Rusty. Anyway, there's the brood box. Rusty's doing a wonderful job on the frames here. He's been given some lessons on how to use the drill. We got Big John, we got Brian, we got everyone working here, buzzing around, and there it is, the bee box. Give us a big clap for the bee box, boys. Whoa!
We're not drones.
Anyway, we'll catch you later. Bye.